Hello and welcome to this edition of QLogic's Make I/O Matter video series for HP. Today's topic, we're going to focus on why Gen5 Fibre Channel should be the protocol of choice for your data center environment. In today's IT environment, CIOs are faced with a paradigm shift in the way in which they allocate their available budgets. CIOs are being asked to reduce spending on infrastructure, or OpEx, and use more of their available dollars to drive business innovation and transform the business. But the desire to drive business innovation is constrained by the operating costs associated with managing their existing infrastructure. The IT architecture of the existing data center needs to be updated in order to enable the transformation process to begin. In this video, we're going to examine the fiber channel SAN infrastructure in today's modern data center and look at how Gen5 Fibre Channel can help address the challenge of transformation for the CIO. Many of today's modern data centers are designed around shared storage and backup via Fibre Channel Storage Area Network, or SAN. Fibre Channel was chosen as the protocol of choice because it's designed specifically to connect servers to shared storage. This purpose-built technology provides a high-performance, very efficient, and extremely secure network for connecting shared storage to servers. Fibre channel switching from industry leaders like Brocade and Cisco are deployed to share storage among the application servers. Fibre channel adapters from QLogic or Emulex are installed in those servers, allowing them to be connected to the fibre channel fabric. Modern storage arrays and backup devices are connected to the SAN as well, and this architecture greatly simplifies storage management, improves storage scalability, and addresses data protection challenges. Because the storage network is now a mission-critical component to keeping the application servers up and running, redundancy is required and all the switches and adapters are deployed in pairs. This provides high availability between the server and storage resources with redundant paths and failover capability in case of a failure. The latest big technology transition in the data center is the deployment of server virtualization. This has allowed IT administrators to reduce the number of physical servers and run multiple applications or virtual machines within a single physical server. In fact, according to industry analysts, there are currently more applications running on virtual machines than on standalone application servers. And as with anything new, there are concerns to be addressed for the IT administrator. In the case of server virtualization and deploying virtual machines, one of the key concerns is application performance. How does the IT architect ensure that there are resources dedicated to the virtual machine to ensure application performance is equivalent to that of a standalone environment? Looking at this from a SAN perspective, there needs to be a way to manage the fiber channel connection between the VM or virtual machine and the SAN fabric. The fabric management utilities and monitoring systems need to be able to see past the HBA to the virtual machine. This is where Gen5 Fibre Channel comes in. With Gen5 Fibre Channel, new features and capabilities have been introduced by Brocade and QLogic into the SAN switching and HBA infrastructure. Brocade's Fabric Vision suite of management utilities and QLogic's Gen5 Fibre Channel adapters now allow the system architect to design the SAN so that the physical fiber channel ports can be virtualized to allocate bandwidth to specific VMs and provide a quality of service guarantee. This ensures that applications have the necessary bandwidth to operate at peak performance. This was not available in prior generations of fiber channel technology, nor is it available from any other vendor. Now let's look at the storage side of the equation. What's the latest innovation or trend in SAN attached storage? Well, that would be high performance SSD or Flash Array technology. Architects are looking at these storage technologies to improve the storage transaction performance for virtually the same price as legacy spinning disk. Customers who are looking to deploy Flash Array technology want to take advantage of the superior IOPS performance of these arrays to increase the application performance and scalability. This makes IOPS performance a key consideration in the overall design of the infrastructure connecting servers to the new all-flash arrays. It's not necessarily the size of the pipe now, it's the number of transactions that we can push through one physical connection. Again, customers can greatly benefit from Gen 5 technology in the SAN. Gen 5 provides 3 times the IOPS performance of 8 gig fiber channel and much lower latency as well. This ensures best-in-class transaction performance between servers and the new high-speed flash array technology. And with 2 times the bandwidth, Gen 5 also provides superior scalability, allowing for more virtual machines to access the new storage over a single fiber channel data path. So in summary, the key points are, for any customer who's implementing shared storage, they should look to fiber channel SAN topology for high performance, security, and high availability. Customers who are implementing new servers and/or storage virtualization and who are concerned with delivering the best in terms of application performance should deploy Gen 5 fiber channel SAN infrastructure based on Brocade and QLogic technology to take advantage of the new QoS capabilities. And finally, customers looking to deploy new high-performance SSD and Flash Array technology should take advantage of the increased IOPS performance and lower latency and increased bandwidth of Gen 5 infrastructure. Now let's look at some additional features that Brocade and QLogic have integrated into Gen 5 fiber channel SANs. In many SAN environments, the servers boot from LUNs or logical units within the shared storage device. Parameters of where to boot from and how the server connects to the fabric are typically stored and configured in the server itself. This includes the worldwide name identifier for the HBA ports connected to the fabric, and these are actually burned into the adapter at the time of the manufacturing process. SAN administrators then create zones or safe network areas based on the details associated with the adapter's worldwide name and the boot LUN configuration. If something changes, like changing an adapter or adding a new server, the SAN administrator must rezone the fabric. This creates an opportunity for disruption. Brocade and QLogic have implemented a new capability to store the critical parameters in the Brocade SAN fabric. Fabric assigned worldwide name and fabric assigned boot LUN enable the administrator to pre-configure the entire SAN fabric. When the server with QLogic Gen 5 adapters is added to the environment, the worldwide name and boot LUN information are transferred from the Brocade Gen 5 fabric to the adapter, and this eliminates the need to reconfigure the SANs. Another feature that QLogic and Brocade have integrated in Gen 5 is called ClearLink. This enables a SAN administrator to create diagnostics that run end-to-end using D-port technology. These diagnostics can be run on the SFPs, the cables, and the ports themselves, and allows the SAN administrator to ensure high reliability, high quality connections before ever having to implement or deploy the SAN environment. So the key points here are Gen 5 with Brocade and QLogic allows for pre-provisioning of the SAN fabric. This speeds up deployment and reduces the chance of inducing errors when new servers are added to the environment. And the enhanced diagnostics capability of Gen 5 with ClearLink and other features allows the administrator to ensure high reliability and greatly simplify troubleshooting. Bottom line is that Gen 5 from Brocade and QLogic bring industry-leading features and capabilities to the modern data center that increase performance, provide superior scalability, and improve reliability and reduce costs associated with troubleshooting. If you're looking to get the most out of today's Gen 9 server technology or 3-PAR all-flash arrays, then make sure you include Gen 5 fiber channel infrastructure in all of your configurations. For more information, access the QLogic microsite around the QLogic Brocade Technology Alliance. This would be www.qlogic.com/partners/brocade. Here you'll find lots of information regarding Gen 5 and the QLogic and Brocade Technology Alliance. Or you can visit the QLogic or Brocade HP-specific microsites at www.qlogic.com/go/HP and www.brocade.com/HP. Or finally, if you want to hear from customers and industry analysts on the value proposition behind Fiber Channel and Gen 5, visit the Fibre Channel Industry Alliance Trusted Foundation of Storage website at fibrechannel.org/trusted. Here you'll see videos and customer testimonials and access industry analyst reports focused on Gen 5 Fibre Channel technology. Well, that's it for this session of Making I/O Matter. I want to thank you for your time and your attention. And if you have any questions, you can reach our team using the contact link on the HP QLogic website, or send us an email at hpsolutions@qlogic.com. Until next time, keep helping us make I/O matter and have a wonderful rest of your day.